What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're doing a quick unboxing and overview of the Blackbird 1X Prism Optic from Monstrum. Monstrum. I don't know, I have a hard time saying that company name. Either way, let's get this out of the box and see what all comes with it. Pretty simple what comes with it. We have our actual optic that we'll get to here in a sec. We have a cleaning cloth for the optic. We have a battery that's gonna go in the optic, and this is a let's see, what is it? CR2032, so a 2032 battery. We have our owner's manual as far as how to use it and all that good stuff in here. We do get some extra screws as well as the wrench to tighten this down to a pick rail. And then we have a lifetime warranty. That's a big thing with them, is Monstrum does have a lifetime guarantee on all of their products. Next up, let's actually install the battery that comes with it here. And to do so, we're gonna remove this side end cap here. Oh, all right, I guess it actually comes with a battery in it already. So we have two batteries. They just give you an extra one. All right. That's nice. Put that back on. As far as features and functionality here, once you do have your battery in, you do have a green or red reticle that you can light up inside. So you can see red here. You dial it through 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will actually go ahead and you can faintly see it in there. It'll turn up the brightness, or we can switch this to green. You can go ahead and dial through the green, and now your reticle is gonna be green in there. So pretty cool, it does have both red and green. On top and on the side, we have windage and elevation, and all you gotta do is unscrew these, and then you can go ahead and turn the cap upside down, and it has the little, almost like a flathead screwdriver there, and you can actually use the end cap to dial this in, and it gives you instructions here which way is up or right, depending on if you're doing windage or elevation. Once you get it dialed in and zero in, just go ahead and tighten these back down, and you should be good to go. Out of the box, the Blackbird Prism Optic does come with a mount, so you don't even need to worry about that. You can see we have two screws here, and this is gonna go directly to the top of your pick rail, so that way you can mount it to the right spot, and so that way you can get the right eye relief so you can see through it. One thing to note here is on the left here, we have an actual red dot, and this is our 1X Prism. Prism and red dots are different. When looking through a red dot like this one here, you can see it's just glass and then it's the red dot in it. So it's nothing fancy. There's no optical zoom or anything, and it's fairly basic. However, on a prism, this does go through, or at least it feels like you're looking through a scope. But again, this is a 1X. It might have a slight zoom to it, but that's just the prism effect on it. But typically prisms give you a much crisper picture through the optic, as you can see here, versus on the left, going back to the red dot, again, it's just a piece of glass with the red dot on it. So much clearer prism versus the just glass with a red dot. So just a heads up there. If you're looking to try out a prism one, I think these Monstrum tactical ones are great to pick up. Reason being is because of the price point on these. If you want to get like a primary arms optic one, they are a little bit pricey, but don't get me wrong, those are high quality. But if you end up not liking a prism optic, well, when you pick up a primary arms one, well, you're gonna be out a pretty penny. Monstrum though, these are much more affordable, so you can pick this up, try it out. If you like it, then maybe buy a different one. Or these have been proven pretty reliable and solid, so you might just want to keep this on all of your setups. Either way, just wanted to do a quick video going over the Blackbird Prism Optic from Monstrum. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.